Hi, I'm Jason with QBFabrics, and I'm here to show you my new Garden of Delights 2 collection. It's a real pretty group, full spectrum of colors. There's a really nice new border print I think you'll really like. With this collection, I did a book, so there'll be 6 different projects. It's really pretty trip around the world quilts, and then a few other ones. I just love using the different border prints. They really kind of set the quilts off. This one actually uses one of the main florals. We tried to do a real batik look with that. So lots of colors. It comes in a variety. There's a purple, there's a blue, and of course a multi. Some blues and greens. And then we also did, using the border print, a really cool Kaleidoscope quilt. It comes in both colorways. This collection will be coming out in the spring, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.